Oh. We're going on a helicopter. Let's see where we're good.
3, 2, 1.
We're here. We're at Air Electric. We gonna go on a helicopter flight.
This isn't Air Electric, but yeah, she might get to sit in the front. And I'm contemplating whether or not. I'm just kidding. I'm not. I'm kidding. You sit.
He's got his polo on.
Ma'am.
Looks nice, navy polo.
She's wearing her orange jumpsuit. Yes, ma'am. She forgot her necklace though. It's okay.
But there's so much going on with the jumpsuit that like.
And the gold in the braids.
And the gold. Yeah, they don't need that. We'll be back.
Ma'am.
It's alright, you said. I got my hands up shaking just to let you know that you've got a higher power. Got me singing every second, dancing every hour. Oh yeah, you've got a higher power, and she really someone I wanna know. Electric. This boy is electric and you're sparkling like the universe connected. And I'm buzzing night after night after night. This joy is electric. This joy is electric and you're circuiting through. I'm so happy that I'm alive. Happy I'm alive at the same time as you. Cause you've got a higher power. Got me singing every second, dancing every hour. Oh yeah, you've got a higher power, and you're really someone.
Well, he's trying to steal my pastiness.
I'm looking kind of pasty.
Go back. Baby, don't look pasty. The next time I hear you say you look pasty, I'm gonna...
I look pasty.
On my knees to your